Just pour cooking oil over cinnamon and see what happens. Since I tried this tip, I stopped buying expensive products. It's simple, it's powerful, and after today, you'll never want to go back to what you were doing before. Start by taking a clean container and adding about 8 ounces of room temperature water. There's no need to heat it. Regular water works perfectly. Next, measure 3 generous tablespoons of cinnamon. Pour the cinnamon into the water and mix well until it completely dissolves. Stir until the liquid turns a rich dark brown color. This first step already begins to activate our powerful solution. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone is watching from. Now take a glass jar or any heat-resistant container and pour the cinnamon water mixture into it. Let it sit for about 5 minutes to intensify the mixture. In the meantime, I'll share a quick story. This tip was passed down to me by my uncle, who lives in the countryside. Once the mixture has rested, it's time for the next ingredient. Gently pour a layer of cooking oil over the cinnamon water. You don't need much, just enough to cover the surface completely. Now add a handful of whole cloves. No need to crush them, just throw them into the jar. They will float on the oil and play an important role in how everything works. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Now comes the fun part. Take a bottle cap or a soda cap and make a hole in the center using a knife or nail. Thread a candle wick or even a piece of cotton string through the hole, securing it so it stands upright. This will be the ignition point. Place this cap in the center of the jar, allowing the wick to reach the mixture. It will look like a homemade candle, and that's exactly what you want. Light the wick carefully. In no time, you'll see a beautiful flame and begin to feel an amazing aroma. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. The scent that fills the room is warm, cozy, and rich, but the most surprising thing is what begins to happen around it. Gradually, the air clears in various ways. What you just made is a powerful natural barrier. Those unwanted visitors who buzz and bite are gone. Flies, mosquitoes, gnats, and even cockroaches can't stand the smell of cinnamon and cloves burning. And since the oil burns slowly, the effect lasts for hours. Place it on the kitchen counter, near the trash, on the balcony door, or even outside during summer nights. It's the perfect trick to keep the environment peaceful without using any chemicals. No smoke, no toxins, just ingredients you already had at home. Do you have a similar tip at home? Share in the comments, make one, light it, and enjoy the peace that follows. You'll be surprised by the effectiveness. Try it today and tell me in the comments how it went. Until next time, and thank you for watching.